Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Zawraman Jamali. I am thankful to my Lord for the blessings that He has granted over me, and I'm also thankful to my viewers for the love and respect that they have shown towards me. I would like to start my video today on the topic of adjective. You know that adjective is a lengthy topic, so I would like to talk on that continue today. One video I already made on the adjective, and second one that I'm making today. The basic purpose behind making videos is that make the things simple enough for the learners that they can understand the things well. So I would like to request all my viewers that they should bring the things in their own concept, and they can make the things simple to watch themselves so that they can explain the things well. So I hope that they can understand the things well, whatever the things I'm bringing in my videos. So I hope that they may not create any difficulties for them. Let's start the topic of today. Topic is an adjective. Is an adjective. Topic today is an adjective. In my earlier video, what I talked about the adjective, I said that I told that any word which gives additional information, any word which tells about noun or pronoun, any word which gives additional information about noun or pronoun, any word which describes noun or pronoun, any word which gives a description about noun or pronoun and a sentence, the word is called adjective. The word is called adjective. Oh, so let's come that adjectives in what way it can add to the meaning of noun or pronouns. There are many ways that it can add to the meaning of noun or pronoun in a sentence. There are many ways that I'm going to write down on the board so you can understand things well, I hope. For example, she is beautiful. She is beautiful. वो खूबसूरत है. He is kind. वो रहमदिल है. They are helpful. They are helpful. Sorry. They are helpful. वो मददगार है. वो खूबसूरत आहे. ही रहमदिल आहे. उहे मददगार आहिनि. We are brave. असां बहादुर आहियूं. So in all these four sentences, the one, the two, three, four. You note that in all these four sentences, adjective is telling about pronoun. It is adding to the meaning of pronoun, and it is explaining in all these four sentences about the opinion. So these all adjectives can be called as opinion adjectives. What they call opinion adjectives. Opinion. So in that way, I would like to explain something else. One sentence, for example, again. She is little. She is little. He is small. They are tall. In all these three sentences, again we notice that what we notice? We notice that these all three sentences are talking about the size of person. And the above sentences, in upper sentences, what about they are talking? They are talking about the opinion, how the things seem, how the things look. how the things look. They are expressing opinion. They are explaining opinion. They are demonstrating opinion. Okay. So in the above sentences we note about the opinion, and in these little three sentences, she is little, वो नंदरी आए, she is small, वो नंदो आए, कदर नंदो आए. They are tall, वो दिखाएं. It is long, वो बड़ा है. That's big. That is big. So these all adjectives are talking about the size of something, either size of the person or size of something. They are talking about the size. First understand that what is an adjective? Adjective is a word that tells something about noun or pronoun in a sentence. Adjective is a word that tells something about the noun or pronoun in our sentence. And the second thing, it tells in what way it describes the noun. In above four sentences that I write down on the above, what are they telling? They are telling about the opinion. What the opinion we have about the person. What the opinion, what the thinking, what the concept we hold about the person. So it is telling about the opinion. So all these adjectives are circled in the opinion. They are circled in the opinion. And in the below sentences, what we notice that little, small, they are telling about pronouns. And you can use instead of noun, you can also use Ali. Ali is kind. You can make use. Either you can use noun or pronoun. That's the same thing. Because pronoun is the replacement of a noun. Pronoun is nothing itself. It is replacing the noun. It is replacing the noun. So it is doing the work of noun. It is used instead of noun. So in these sentences, it is telling about the size of something. And the second one thing that I would like to explain here. One sentence, for example, it is new. वो नया है, वो नया है. She is old. वो बूढ़ी है, वो बुढ़िया है. Aged है. They are ancient. वो कदीमी है, पुराने हैं. So these all sentences, new, old, ancient, are explaining something about age. They are explaining something about age. So they are explaining something about age. We need not to worry about adjective. We need not to worry about anything. Because you know that whenever we relax ourselves to understand the things, then the things may itself come in our mind. We need not to worry about, we need not to fear from these kind of things. Because things are simple, only our way and approach should be improved. That how we approach towards the things, how we enhance towards the things, how we handle the things. That depends on our approach. So you have noticed that new, old, and ancient are telling about something, telling about age. So in these sentences, one sentence, I'm explaining something else. I'm saying, I need some time. I need some time. मुझे कुछ वक्त चाहिए. मुझे कुछ वक्त खपे. They are killing many innocent. Sorry. Many people, sorry. They are killing many people. You know that nowadays Israelis are killing Palestinians. They are killing Palestinians. You know that they are killing many Palestinians. So you can say that they are killing many people. Many people sometimes is telling about the quantity. It is telling about the quantity. You can give so many examples in that way, and it is telling about the number. It is telling about the number. It is telling about the number. Now, you can explain in other ways also. For example, three sentence. Red dress suits you a lot. आप पे जो रेड जो ड्रेस है वो आप पे बहुत जचती है. गाढ़ो जोरो ताते ताजो छहे थे. ठीक है सर. तो देखो red is telling about the color. It is telling about the color. So in this way we can talk adjective, and in this way adjective can bring more information about noun or pronouns. And the most important thing that I'm going to discuss here, degrees of adjectives. What are they? Degrees of adjectives. You know that adjective, basically adjective is one, simple. And there are many opinions by the writers. There are many opinions held by the writers. And many writers are talking that there are 3 degrees of adjectives. And you know that, but as far as my understanding is concerned, and my experience is concerned, my way of learning is concerned, that I say that there are the 2 degrees of adjectives. But I am not disagree with other writers also, with other thinkers also. But what I believe that there are the 2 ways. There are the 2 degrees of adjectives. What are they? One, the comparative. Degrees of adjective. One, the comparative. Comparative is the what degree? Means to compare something. Compare one thing with another. एक चीज को दूसरी चीज के साथ, एक चीज को हिकशे के पीछे साथ भेजन, कंपेयर करना, एक चीज को दूसरी चीज से अलग करना. To make one thing different to that of another. To make one thing different to that of another. एक चीज को दूसरी चीज से अलग करना, मुख्तलिफ करना, अलग करना, भेजना. तो इसको कहते हैं हिकशे के पीछे का अलग करना. बेटर मेंशन जे विच में त इन्हनि खे असीं जो पासो कंपैरेटिव डिग्री चवंदा आहियूं. जीअं ॾिसो बेसिक फॉर्म आहे एडजेक्टिव्स जो. स्मॉल, शी इज स्मॉल. वो छोटी है, उसका जो कद है, वो उसकी जो साइज है वो छोटी है. शी इज स्मॉल. Now this is the adjective. Small is what? Small is an adjective. So now we are bringing it into the degree of adjective. Now we first we use it in a comparative degree. She is smaller than you. वो आपसे छोटी है, वो तमागा नंढी आहे कद जी, साइज जी. तो smaller than you. She is smaller than you. जब भी आप कंपेयर करोगे तो आप जो है लफ्ज का किसका इस्तेमाल करेंगे? than का. Sometimes we can use than and sometimes we can use to. she is inferior to me, she is inferior to me, she is superior to me. Sometimes you can make the use of to at the time of the comparison, and sometimes you can make the use of that. When she is compared to you, when two things are compared, that degree is called comparative degree. It can also be said as a compare. बैठना, एक चीज को दूसरी चीज से अलग करना, एक शय के बी शय का अलग करना, इनका कंपेयर क्या वो है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, he is tall, he is tall. वो जो है वो जो को आसो दिखो है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वी आर कंपेयरिंग हिम, he is taller than me. वो मुझसे वो मुखा अधिक दिखो है. When one person is compared to me to second person, that degree is called comparative degree. In these sentences, smaller, taller, tall, small are adjectives. They are used in the comparison. Sometimes the first degree is also called, first adjective is also called as a positive adjective. Positive degree, it is also called positive degree, but that doesn't happen. Particularly at the first moment, it is as a only adjective. It can only be said as an adjective. वो एडजेक्टिव ही आए, एडजेक्टिव जो कंपेयर जना तो थे, भेट जना थी थे जना सिंधी भेट सा करूं तो कैसा ना करूं, एक शब्द जना बीच सा भेट कहीं नहीं, तीन शब्द के बीच में भेट कहीं नहीं आए, तो उन्हें जला ऐसी कंपैरेटिव डिग्री इस्तेमाल करना हो, एक शब्द बेस बीच सा एक शब्द भेट कहीं नहीं. जी एंड सो, for example, a girl comes here. Whenever I wanted a girl, whenever I look at the girl for the first time, she looks beautiful to me. Okay, I say she is beautiful. वो खूबसूरत है, वो खूबसूरत आए. हाँ ना, उन्हें जी कैसा पसंद भेट कर गया है. When this girl, another girl comes here, when other girl comes here at the class, I say she is more beautiful. She is more beautiful than her. वो उस गर्ल से ज्यादा खूबसूरत है. वो हम छोकरी का अधिक खूबसूरत है. Now there comes many other girls. Now you know that there comes many other girls. Whenever all girls, she is different to that of all girls. She looks different to that of all other girls. Then after the degree that we use is called superlative. Superlative means super. Superlative means superlative degree is used to compare, to make one thing different to that of all. To make one thing different means to make one thing or person, one person or thing different to all. उन सब चीजों से जो जुदा हो, जो अलग हो जाए, उन सब इंसान का सुपर हो जाए, तमाम आला हो जाए, उन सब इंसान का मध्य हो जाए, बुलंद हो जाए, उनके लिए ऐसा सुपरलेटिव डिग्री जो इस्तेमाल करना है. जी हम हिंदी जुमलों में कंदुस, जी हम हिंदी में जो पास हो गया हो, कंपैरेटिव में गया हो, तो सुपरलेटिव डिग्री में ऐसा क्यों इस्तेमाल कर सकूँ था. फॉर एग्जांपल, she is the most beautiful. She is the most beautiful girl in the क्लास. वो पूरे क्लास में सबनी का अधिक खूबसूरत आए, सबनी का जुदा आए, सबनी का अलग आए, तमाम खूबसूरत आए, सबनी का अधिक खूबसूरत आए. He is the tallest. He is the tallest person in the party. आप फर्ज करें कि आपके पास कोई पार्टी है, तव्हां का पार्टी कई आहे, उनमें हिकु माण्हू आहे जेको सभिनी खां जेको आहे डिघो आहे, सभिनी खां कदावर आहे, त उन जे लाइ तव्हां छा चवंदो? ही इज़ द टैलेस्ट पर्सन इन द पार्टी, ही इज़ द टैलेस्ट पर्सन इन द पार्टी। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, तव्हांजे क्लास में जेको आहे तव्हां 20 स्टूडेंट्स पढ़ायो था, यू आर टीचिंग 20 students in your class. Suppose you are teaching 20 students in your class, but one of them is most intelligent. One of them is different to that all of other students. So he is most intelligent. So there you can make the use of superlative degree. For example, Ali is the most intelligent student in the class. अली जेको आहे सो पूरे क्लास में सभिनी खां वधीक होशियारु ॿारु आहे, होशियारु शागिर्द आहे। तंहिंजे लाइ तव्हां सुपरलेटिव डिग्री जो इस्तेमालु कंदो। सुपरलेटिव डिग्री जो जॾहिं असीं इस्तेमालु कंदासीं त असां द जो पर्टिकुलर द जी एडिशन कंदा आहियूं, ऐं कंप्लीट डिग्री में असां जेको आहे सो सुपरलेटिव में पछाड़ी असां जेको आहे सो EST जो एडिशन कंदा आहियूं। EST जो सुपरलेटिव डिग्री जे लाइ छा जो एडिशन कबो आहे? EST। ऐं कंप्लीटिव डिग्री जे लाइ ER जो sometimes IER, and for superlative degree EST, and sometimes most or more. I'm teaching that also. For example, if your adjective happens to be one syllable, जेकॾहिं तव्हांजो एडजेक्टिव जेको जुमिले जो आहे उहो हिकिड़े साउंड ते मुश्तमिल आहे, हिकिड़े वावल साउंड ते मुश्तमिल आहे, त उन जे लाइ उनखे वर्ड खे आख़िर में ER ॻाल्हाईंदो। छा ॻाल्हाईंदो? ER। कुझु के लफ़्ज़ अहिड़ा आहिनि जंहिंमें जेको आहे सो R जो ख़ाली ॻाल्हाईंदासीं, ख़ाली R। बाक़ी जेको आहे सो काफ़ी जेके लफ़्ज़ आहिनि, most of the words we add ER. In most of the words, if your adjective happens to be one syllable, जेकॾहिं तव्हांजो एडजेक्टिव हिकिड़े आवाज़ ते मुश्तमिल आहे, हिकिड़े प्रोनाउंसिएशन ते मुश्तमिल, हिकिड़े आवाज़ ते मुश्तमिल आहे, त उन जे लाइ तव्हां जेको आहे सो ER ॻाल्हाईंदो। छा ॻाल्हाईंदो? ER। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, I am faster than Ali. मैं अली से तेज हूँ, तगड़ा हूँ। मैं अली से तेज हूँ, मां अली खां वधीक तिखो आहियां। Faster, ER. This is fast, one syllable, one sound, fast. Another, it is bigger than our room. ही जेको कमरो असां वरितो आहे उहो असांजे कमरे खां वॾो आहे। Another, it is larger than ours. उहो असांजे खां वधीक जेको आहे सो डिघो आहे, पखिड़ियल आहे, लार्ज आहे। So large, big, fast, they are one syllable words. What are they? I'm writing here. One syllable words. Syllable adjective. Two syllable adjective. Three syllable adjective. adjective. Four syllable adjective. Adjectives. You know that just as you can say cheap, sasto, active, chalak, ready to, attentive, ready to work, beautiful, and you can say intelligent. Note the pronunciation. Cheap, cheap, cheap. One syllable, one sound. One syllable, one sound. Cheap. Big, big. One syllable, one sound. Strong. One syllable, one sound. Small. One syllable, one sound. You know, active, active, active. There are the two sounds. There are the two syllables. One the act, second the tive. One the act, second the tive. Active. Active. And you can also give other examples. Simple. Simple, simple. There are the two sounds, and you can give also many other examples here. And beautiful, powerful, beautiful, 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 beautiful. Three sounds, three syllables. But how many syllables are there? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. How many syllables are there? Three. And intelligent, intelligent, intelligent. There are how many syllables are there? Four syllables. You can also say mysterious, mysterious, four syllables. So, with one syllable, there are some exceptions also. You can say there are some irregular adjectives, so they cannot accept any rule. For example, I am giving the examples of them. So, you can say in comparative degree, cheaper, the cheapest. Cheaper, the cheapest. For example, I can give so many examples here. For example, cheap. Next sentence is below in the column. For example, I need cheaper मुझे इन चप्पलों से ज्यादा सस्ते चप्पल चाहिए. मुझे इन चप्पलों से ज्यादा सस्ते चप्पल चाहिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, another sentence also you can say, I want to purchase the cheapest of all. मैं इन सब में जो जितने भी चीजें पड़ी हुई हैं, इनसे जो सस्ती तरीन चीज है वो खरीद करना चाहता हूँ. माँ हुआ से तो खरीद करना चाहा जगह इन सब का सस्ती हुए. You understand? So you can say in one syllable adjectives can be whenever you form their comparative degrees, so you can add only er. when there happens to be one syllable adjective, so you are changing that into the comparative degree, so you can add only er. And if you are changing it to the superlative degree, you can add est. For example, examples are below. When there happens to be two syllable words, when there happens to be two syllable adjectives, so you can add more for the comparison. He is more active than you. ये आपसे ज्यादा चालाक है, ये आपसे ज्यादा फुर्तीला है, ये आपसे ज्यादा होशियार है. ही तमाका ज्यादा चालाका है, ही तमाका ज्यादा फुर्तीलो है. Simpler. For example, more simple. I am more simple than my brother. मां पंहिंजे भाउ खां वधीक सादो आहियां, वधीक सादो. So you see that what we add whenever we make comparative and superlative degrees of them, whenever we make comparative degrees of these, we add only more. What we add more. And superlative degree, what we add? Most, the most. What we add? The most. Whenever we form the two syllables degrees, whenever we change two syllable adjectives in comparative degree, then we can add more. Then what we can add? More. जदा असां ॿिनि आवाज़नि वारे एडजेक्टिव्स के कंपैरेटिव डिग्री में आणींदासीं त असां छा कंदासीं? मोर जो एडिशन कंदासीं, मोर जो इज़ाफ़ो कंदासीं. पर वन सिलेबल वारे में छा कंदासीं? er जो इज़ाफ़ो कंदासीं. Sometimes er and sometimes we can only add r. Just as cute, मासूम, cuter. So we can add only r. Okay. So in these examples, whenever we make the comparative degree of two syllable words, what can we do? We add more. What can we do? We add more. For example, I am more simple than my brother. मैं अपने भाई से ज्यादा सादा हूँ. मेरी सादगी मेरे भाई से ज्यादा है. In that sentence, he is more active than you. वो जो है आपसे ज्यादा चालाक है. वो जो आसो तव्हां खां वधीक चालाक आहे. असां ॾिसो हिन जो कंपैरेटिव डिग्री छा आहे त असां छा कंदा मोर जो एडिशन कयोसीं. हिन में भी मोर जो एडिशन कयोसीं. पर जेकॾहिं हिन जी सुपरलेटिव डिग्री ठाहींदासीं त असां छा जो एडिशन कंदासीं? असां एडिशन छा जो कंदासीं? असां एडिशन कंदासीं मोस्ट जो. He is the most active person in the office. ऑफिस में जितने भी लोग हैं उन सबसे ये जो है फुर्तीला है, ये जो है चालाक है. लाइट चली गई है. You know that power has gone. Power is off. That's the city of Sarari. You know that the conditions of Pakistan. Well, so with all these we can use whenever we form the comparative degree of them. What can we do? More and most. The most. What can we form? What can we add? The most. For the superlative degrees and for the comparative degrees, we can add more with all these words. So this is what the topic that I have brought today for you. And then I would like to end my video now because you know that the power has gone, power is off. So I'm ending my video now. So I request all my viewers that once again that they should subscribe my channel and share my videos and click the button of liking and put their comments below into the description so that I may know that whether my videos are useful to them or not. So I thank all of my viewers for the love and respect once again, and I say goodbye.